talking all about technology and innovation on today's episode of Go Saskatoon. We are at the Saskatchewan Institute of Applied Science and Technology, a perfect place for today's show. I'm joined by Blaine, who's going to talk about all of the fantastic stuff that happens in this lab. Blaine, what department are you with here at SIAST?
I'm program head of the Bioscience Technology program here at SIAST Kelsey campus.
Okay.
And this is the SIAST Bioscience Applied Research Center, or SBARC. Yes.
So let's talk a little bit about the program. Because it's a 2-year program,
yes,
right? So what happens when students are part of this?
All right. Students that take this program are qualified to go and work out in the ag biotech, biomedicine, bioproduct, and they can go out and work in research laboratories, work in industry, everything from quality control to disease research, everything working in the ag biotech sector, working in bioproduct manufacturing. So the students pick up all the skills that we have here. We have a intensive 2-year program that gives them hands-on skills to work out in research and work out in laboratory technology. So our type of grads that we get from this program end up working most of the places in Saskatchewan. Everything from the ag biotech companies, Saputo, places like breweries, things like that.
Excellent. So how important is that hands-on factor in a field like this?
It's very important. The students that come here are given some really good hands-on. We have very intensive labs. Every day they're in a lab. And the hands-on skills that they get there helps because it's industry focused. It's what industry is demanding out there for the type of technology that we deliver. So the students become adept at working on everything from instrumentation to working with animals or plants.
So SIAST just became part of Polytechnics Canada. That's a big deal. Let's talk about what that means.
Polytechnics Canada means that we're one of the top 10 colleges in Canada. And being one of those colleges in Canada, we participate in applied research and offer some degree granting status. So what you're seeing here is one of the applied research laboratories that's present in SIAST. In this lab, we actually employ 6 part-time students and a graduate from our program to take part in the applied research. It gives them some extra skills, some experience. They get to see a real-world scenario of how research takes place and participate in one of our big projects that we have going.
Okay, let's talk a little bit about class sizes. How many students do you typically have?
So typical intake in the fall is about 24 students. So usually class size maximum is 24. And it's a 2-year program, so there's a degree of class size. It can sometimes shrink a little bit because it's a difficult program in some ways. And so when they graduate, class size about 20. Historically, we've had over 90% employment rate in the last 5 years.
Impressive. Awesome. Well, that's a little bit of a sneak peek into just one part of the Saskatoon campus here. We'll be looking at a couple others on today's show. Thank you so much, Blaine.